Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another daily work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, the links if you want to put applications in are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Grow Therapy. They are hiring a provider support associate, and you will have to work on the weekends, so keep that in mind. But this is a little bit different from a standard customer support role. You will not be taking phone calls from customers. You are going to be helping providers. So these are doctors and therapists and all of those things. So you'll basically be responding to provider questions quickly and accurately. You'll spend most of your time using chat to effectively answer provider questions. So chat is the web chat that is non-phone. You'll report directly to provider support lead and work closely to execute the best customer service you can. You'll build strong relationships with these mental health providers, and you'll get exposure to helping them build their business from the ground up. So they are looking for someone who loves providing customer service, who can quickly study and learn how their platform works, someone who enjoys problem solving, who has great communication skills, and someone who is a self-starter. Now, previous call center experience is preferred but not required. The salary for this position is very good for a customer service job. It pays anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes all the standards, health insurance, and all of that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.